Okay guys, so we got the Gemfan Floppy Proppy folding 2-blade prop, and so this is a bi-blade, and let's take it out here and check it out. Alright, so we have to assemble this, and we're just going to take the bottom piece here and we're going to insert that prop like that and make sure they're all turned the same way. So let's make sure we're doing this right real quick. I'm pretty sure I am. I've done one before, but yeah, that's what the instructions say. Just do it like that. Alright, so this one is turning clockwise, and then we just take the piece right here and line it up like that and press it down, and then your prop nut is going to hold that in right there, and they are movable, so you can put them in a box real easy or whatever. But we're also gonna just not check the convenience of it so much as the performance of it and see how it flies. So we'll get them on the drone and show you how it flies. Alright guys, so we got the floppy proppy here, and I'm going to start them from like the folded up position just to see if they break or anything. And I'm just going to hover it around a little bit. I didn't see any problems there. Just hovered around a little bit. They actually sound surprisingly really peppy, and we're going to give it a rip and see what it does.
Okay guys, here we go. 109 miles per hour. That's pretty quick. I mean, that's moving, especially for some bob blades and some props that fold up. Man, I am freaking surprised about these. These have blown my mind. Uh, I was going to say, man, uh, these might just need to be folded up and put in a drawer, but shoot, these things freaking rip. 109 miles per hour. Wow, that's freaking moving. And 4 minutes of flight on and doing some hard freestyle. That's pretty good, guys.
Okay, today's review was about Gemfan Floppy Proppy. And so I've made a data chart on this, and it is 5 out of a 5 category. And the design of it was a foldable prop. We seen that was pretty neat, that you can fold them up and fit them in tight areas. And the speed of it was 109 miles per hour. Efficiency was a 4 minute of hard freestyle. Responsiveness, it had really fast cornering. And the torque, it had fast acceleration from hover and around corners. So you can go into other categories like durability, but I think that's a long-term type review, and we'll do a long-term type review later on. And you can go into about the sound of props, but a lot of props pretty much are pretty loud, so I don't think sound is something that we should really judge. And I don't have a hertz or decibel meter, but it's a bob blade, and bob blades are typically noisy, and I'd say these were about as much as a regular tri blade. So take it as you will. I'm going to rate this one off a 5 of a 5, and that means you must come out or you must try it. And these were really cheap. I got them on Get FPV, and there was like a clearance deal on them, and I was like, why not? I'll try them out since they're cheap. And so go on Get FPV, and I'll put a link below, and it's not an affiliate link, so I'm not getting paid to do it or anything like that. So any support you can throw me, that would be greatly appreciated. But these were really fun, and I think you guys will have a blast using them. Alright guys, see ya. So if you see your name at the end of the video here, that means you have commented. And thank you for commenting, and like and subscribe, please. Thank you.